Sorry, I forgot to restart the mic when I started this one. So what I had said, there's curb rash, various spots around this wheel. It's not deep, so we're just going to sand it with 320. I think might have to grind here. I'm going to hit it with the sandpaper first, see if I can get the damage out. And if not, then I'll switch to the grinder. While I'm sanding, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, that helps the channel a ton. Let me get sanding again. Thank you. All right, so everything came out with the sandpaper. Now we're going to scuff and paint. Again, all the links to, got a hole in the glove, links to all the products and tools I use are in the description. Just a little spot right there. All right, now we'll clear coat. I have the new lid on the paint coat cup. Paint gun cup.